Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Sinha and this is my fourth video and I'm very happy to make this video for the tiny tots of class 4 and 5. They are getting a lot of problem while making the files and managing them. So today I am going to make this work very easy after reading this chapter through my video. So let's start this chapter, which is features of file management. How many files you are making? Just let me know. So many in a paint screen or in a WordPad screen or in a notepad screen. You are making so many times the files and sometimes they go in a number of thousands and more than that. So it is quite difficult to find a particular file or a folder at one stretch. So this chapter will help you and teach you how to get that file back in a very easy way. And I suggest for this the first operating system which I prefer, that is Windows 7. Windows 7 is a very smart operating system, as well as it helps to check things very fast. So the features of the Windows 7 are, number one is GUI. What do you mean by GUI? Are you using images, clip arts, word art, GIFs, and then audios and videos? Do you like them to use? Of course, yes, we all are using in a number of times, and Windows 7 is always allowing you that interface to use, and this quality of Windows 7 we call it GUI, means graphical user interface, means graphically whatever things we are using, animations to transitions and the images to GIFs, they all Windows 7 allows us to use. So the number one is Windows 7's first quality is GUI. The second quality of Windows 7 is multiple windows open at one way. Means suppose we have working on paint screen and during that time you are saving an account something, and same time simultaneously you are printing something. So it is quite easy through this Windows 7 that you can do all the three tasks in a one stretch. All things will be running in a taskbar, and at the same time you can work in all three screens. You have to only do one thing, that you minimize that screen. The third very important feature of this Windows 7 is Window Explorer, which we call it File Explorer or a file manager also. This is the best and foremost quality of Windows 7, which we are going to reading forward. Window Explorer keeps the contents like File Manager. I said the second name of Window Explorer is File Manager. This keeps all the file in a serial manner, by name wise, by date wise, or by otherwise size wise. If you want, they can be kept in a Window Explorer. So number of files whichever you made from the beginning of the day when you purchased your computer, is not actually going anywhere. They are being saved in this index, and that is Window Explorer. The two main features of Window Explorer is browsing folder. What is the meaning of browsing? Browsing means to finding a particular file or folder. For example, 2018 favorite new songs, you made this file, or your birthday pictures, this file, or you made your routine for examination. So these files and folders which you are going to search very oftenly, so this kind of files are particularly you are looking for, so we call it browsing that particular folder, and by this way you can easily browse by the help of Window Explorer. The second is properties of a file. Suppose I am making this video, and this video, today's date, what is the size of the video, what is the duration of this video, at what, for whom I made this video. After a month, definitely we'll forget these things, or after a year we forget these things. But by this Window Explorer, you can know about your file, at what date you made, at what time you made it, what is the size of your file, and for whom you made it. So every question will answered very easily by using these two properties of Window Explorer. So the next is folder list, which is also very important and interesting feature of this Windows 7 screen. Folder list is actually helping us managing all the files and folders. And you know, the management of files and folder is quite difficult in computer, and if somebody gives you this work, you will be very much burdened. But by using Windows 7, you will not get any burden, and folder list will help you to keep your all the files and folders in a serial, in a manner, or in a very nice form. By that, you can easily copy them, you can easily delete them, you can easily edit them, you can easily rename them, you can easily shift, copy, save and paste them. So these all features you can easily get it. This folder list has two panes. Panes means two forms. The number one form is navigation pane, and navigation means the direction. Suppose you are going to your house, so many times right and left comes. So this is the telling the way of your address, or suppose you are guiding me how to reach to your house. This way is called navigation, and navigation pane helps you to guide you, to tell you how to reach to that particular file or folder which you are looking for. So this function, this pane, this option helps you in finding your specially important files and folders. The right pane is having a special thing, that is, suppose I selected some of the files and folders. What type of files and folders you are selecting? Maybe a gaming file, maybe a painting file, maybe suppose you have written in essays, number of essays, or number of stories. You are a story writer, or you are a poetry writer. So you are making those files and folders, but the time when you are looking for them, they are lost. So in that case, the right pane will help you to search that particular selected that file or folder which you are looking for. So these two pans you definitely use when you are using folder list in Windows 7. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please encourage me to make the new videos. I am always to help you here, and I am always looking for your comments, what type of videos you wanted to watch and what type of videos you are requesting me to make. So I'll always go through. Thank you to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.